LLCs and corporations are both known as formal business structures. Each has advantages the other does not, and figuring out which is right for you is a critical first step in starting a business. You'll probably benefit from an LLC the most if you're a first-time small business owner. If you want to learn even more about all the different business structures, we have a whole video about it linked in the description below. In this video, we'll talk about the advantages of LLCs and corporations, as well as give you an idea of which you would want to choose for your business. As previously stated, corporations and LLCs both have advantages that the other doesn't offer, but generally LLCs are better for first-time businesses. Both LLCs and corporations are formal business structures. They both offer liability protection and increased credibility. Liability protection means that if something were to happen to your company, your house, your car, and your personal savings are safe. Let's take a look at the advantages of an LLC and why you might want to choose those over a corporation. LLCs are easier to start and maintain than corporations. They require less paperwork, less yearly maintenance, and have pass-through taxation. Pass-through taxation means that profits are only taxed once. When LLCs make a profit, those profits are passed directly to the owners, who then pay the taxes themselves. Now let's take a look at the advantages of corporations and why you might want to choose it over an LLC. Corporations are generally better for companies that are seeking investors, are looking for an IPO, or are looking to efficiently invest money back into the company in between tax years. Corporations are better for investors because investors only have to pay taxes on dividends paid out. However, corporations have what's called double taxation. When corporations make a profit, the corporation has to pay taxes on that profit. Then the owners have to pay taxes on any distributions they receive, so profits are taxed twice. Now that we've looked at the advantages of both business structures, what's next? Once you've made the important decision between an LLC and a corporation, you can go through the steps of formation on your own, or you can hire a formation service to do it for you. Check the link in the description below for our recommended formation service. And if this video helped you, give it a quick like, and if you want to see more content for entrepreneurs, subscribe to our channel. Both corporations and LLCs are formal business structures, and both offer liability protection and increased credibility. LLCs have a simpler structure and are easier to form and maintain than corporations. Corporations are better if you're seeking investors, looking for an IPO, or are looking to carry money over more efficiently in between tax years. For more detailed guides on LLC and corporation formation, check out our website at howtostartanllc.com. There we provide all sorts of free resources and guides to help you get your business formed. Good luck with starting your small business.